Hello viewer, how are you? Uh, Thank you for your response. Today we discuss about the user creation and role assignments, roles, add profile and others, user maintenance. Let's start. You start transaction SU01 for user creation. SU01. Enter username which are you want to create. Suppose if I test 786, here is different icon: create, change, display, delete, copy, lock unlock and change password. If you want to create new user, you click create button. Enter detail: Mr. first name ABC, last name ABC, CDE, last name. Function mean user, the area which are user working. Suppose FI, HR department, you can mention here. Suppose FI department. And department main MIT building. Now you can press second tab login data. You can enter password. Suppose 1 2 3 4 5 6. You can add user group. You can valid per period, valid from, suppose from today, dated 23rd 2020 to user valid 25th. This user only valid for 2 days. Next tab SNC, and next tab is default. Here you can set the decimal notations, 3 type of notations, and date format you can select as you wish, and time format. Next parameters, you can set different parameters. Roles, you can add roles to this users. Suppose HR, I can use IPRO manager. You can add this user. You can authorize also profile. Suppose SAP _ all _ new. You can set like this. Set all you can also. Here you can mention the group. to the users. Here lot of group, IDES group, training group. I add IDES group to the users. License data, you can choose license data, professionals, non-professionals, SAP professional, ERP users, purchase users. You can set test user. I can set license test user. Now you save, press save button. User is created and can log in SAP. If you want to change, you can click change button. You can change anything. Suppose I change its validity and date. You can save, then save. If you want to copy as it is same user, multiple users, you can press copy button. 786,787 address data. Also you can copy another user. Just you save, set default password for this user. User is copied. You can lock and unlock this user also. Sometimes users lock multiple wrong attempt. Sometimes a user locked by administrator. You can unlock and lock from here. Lock and unlock. You can lock from here. You can set password from here. Change password button. You can set here. Thank you.